If you want to create a trending video on TikTok or Instagram, you need to follow these steps. Record your video and take a screenshot of any part of it. Go to the kaiber.ai website and enter your email address. Verify your email via Gmail. Once your email is verified, click on Create Your First Video and upload your screenshot from your gallery. Choose a topic from the options provided or type in your own topic. Then choose a style and art style for best results. Adjust the other settings as needed and click Generate. Creating your video will take some time. You can leave the website open for 10 to 15 minutes and check it later. Upload your video without watermark by clicking Upscale and uploading the video. Open the Capcut editing application and add your original video and an aerial video. Select the 9/16 aspect ratio and trim your video to where you took the screenshot. Apply a transition for a smooth result. I use the mix transition because it looks better. Check your video and export it. Now you're ready to share your trending video on TikTok or Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates.